I wish somebody would have taught me how to sell. And not just how to sell, but teach me what I was even selling. Like when I started freelancing, it's clear back in 2002, started freelancing and I thought that I was selling websites and logos and business card design and all the stuff that I did. That's what I thought I was selling. And I didn't learn until later that that's not at all what I was selling. What I was selling was money. Tell you what that means in this video. This sales technique of selling money is all about helping your potential client see your services as a solution to generate a return on investment for them. It's not just an expense where they're spending money and it's poofing away. It is a service that you're providing that will generate more money to them. It's an investment. And when we sell money with this mindset, it can be super effective to close deals. And your competitors are not doing this. I know, because I wasn't doing this until like the last 5 years of my agency run. Okay, let me show you how we're going to do this. We're going to start with websites. How do you sell money when you're selling a website? So you have a client, they come to your office or you're on a Zoom call or something with them and they need a new website for their business. During that initial conversation, you start saying things like this. We don't want to just create a pretty website for you. What we love to do is deliver results. We like to get results, improved conversion, more sales, more leads. That's what we're all about when we're creating websites. Can we have access to your analytics, to your website analytics, so that we can track the conversion of the work that we're doing, not just making something that's aesthetically pretty? And when you say things like this to the client, it helps them see you differently than they see the other vendors that they're interviewing to do this website. They start to see you as somebody interested in getting results for their business, not just making some pretty website for people to click around on. You can do the same thing selling logos. Let's look at how that's done. Say something like this to your clients. The best logo of the world doesn't mean anything if it doesn't impact the bottom line of your business. We want to create a brand that's going to resonate with your target audience, help them develop more brand loyalty to you, and ultimately impact the bottom line of your business. That's what we want to accomplish when we're designing a logo. It's not just making, a logo that's perfect and balanced and all perfect typography. It's more about generating results by creating a brand that's going to impact your target customer. Okay, so when we say stuff like this, it helps the client see you as a higher level thinking designer. This next one can apply to any type of marketing services. It's a little more general and you can intermingle something like this into a lot of different sales conversations. Let's talk about the current state of your sales. We want to create some target sales projections or performance goals so that when we launch this new marketing effort for you, we can track the results. Can we have access to some current sales information before we get started on this project? Because we really are about getting results for you. Again, this is just aligning the efforts that you're going to make designing the thing and turning it into something that's going to generate conversion or return on investment for your clients. Now, obviously, you can't do this with every single type of project out there. It's hard to equate the return on investment of a new menu design for a restaurant. It's not a potentially revenue generating service. But a lot of the things you do can directly apply to this technique. You can sell money instead of the thing. Help your clients see it as a return on investment or potential return on investment. That's the way you're going to help improve your conversion when you're selling your services. Okay, hope that helps. If you want to learn more about running a creative business, check out my courses. I got some free courses. I got some paid courses. I've got a ton of content for you.